G'day guys, how you going? I'm denied about doing this video for quite some time. A good friend of mine said, just push the red button, dude. So I have, and he said, just push the red button and start talking. So I wanted to talk to you about some bigger picture things, some things that I hope are common knowledge now regarding language fails us in a lot of these things, but things around the shadow banking and shadow governments and Illuminati, deep state, dark state, whatever language you want to put around it, the people behind the scenes in power pulling strings. I think it's common knowledge now, shadow banking, shadow government, shadow courts, and this isn't in the sense of the British UK government opposition shadow. This is people behind the scenes, a lot of which are potentially unsavoury types. So I think that's common knowledge. If you're not aware of these things, please just do some research, talk to some people. You'll find out very quickly that this is indeed the case. You know, the big players in the geo-religious, geopolitical chess games, resource capturing, banking infrastructure inserting politics and chess that is going on around the world. You must all be aware of that. And these things are in the news every day, and that is what's going on in the world around us. The question is, okay, you know, so what now? What can I do? What do we do about it? Now, you know, the obvious things like, you know, love, peace, leading a righteous life, all those things are great, all good and well, but we need something to rally around, something for the collective to be involved in, something so we feel like we're getting on the right side of history, getting on the right side of these events. So if and when this shadow house of cards does ultimately collapse, we're on the right side of it. So there is something that more and more people are rallying around. It's called the Sovereign Court of International Justice, SCIJ, and its companion, the Arbitration Court of International Justice. Now, these are UN-level intergovernmental organisations, completely independent and autonomous, with teeth, with enforcement in international law. So it's for the people, by the people, but it also needs to be funded by the people. So I put in this post some information regarding those two courts. They're for you and me, they're for all of us. You know, collate your evidence, document stuff, pass it around, share it. The collaboration platforms are all available to everybody. As I said, you know, get on the right side of history of this thing. We'll soon probably see some household names you know, being arrested, orange jumpsuits, the whole bit. There's quite a large military component in the fight against human trafficking, drug trafficking, gun trafficking, organ trafficking. All these things are being vigorously fought as we speak. And then once you see some of these household names being arrested, there will be a domino effect. And the more evidence we can compile and share and put out into the public domain, that weight of evidence will help bring down or change over or eliminate the evil elements in some of these shadow organisations. So look in the post, the Sovereign Court of International Justice, Arbitration Court of International Justice. They need donations, they need public funds to pay for enforcement judges, to pay for the judges, the judicial judges, and pay for the infrastructure to get these cases heard in international law. Far more accessible than some of the traditional international law courts. As I said, these are for the people, by the people. So If you wanted, yes, you know, love, light, all those wonderful things. If you wanted something physical to attach to collaborate with, and to congregate around and through, and have a voice and get on the right side of history, get involved in these two autonomous, independent, international law courts that are for us. Help them build their infrastructure, help them build their capacity to try these cases and hold people accountable, get the evidence amassed to get it to them. More information in the post. So keep spreading the love, get behind this fantastic cause, and thanks for watching.